What's up, Teletubby fans, and today we're going to be installing the speaker like I said in my latest video. So I'm going to show you how to take the door panel off on a 2004 Nissan Sentra. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Let's do this. So this is what the door panel looks like for a 2004 Nissan Sentra. So what you would have to do is just pop this off. And then there's going to be a screw right there. There's only one on the bottom, and then you pop this off. So it's a two-piece. So like I said, it is a two-piece. Whoops. So that's the piece one. Then here's the piece two, and then all you have left to do is unhook the wires and then pop the door panel up, and I'll show you in a demonstration. Now we're just going to unscrew this. Then you would also need to unscrew a screw there and then a screw there. So then to take the door panel off, you just have to lift up and then pull out, and then you have this. So to take the speaker out, you just have this clip right here, and then your screws for the speaker mount. Okay, so now you need a aftermarket adapter for your speaker. So you would just clip it onto this. Then it will look like this. Then now I'm going to show you with the speaker in and everything screwed in afterwards. So there's what the speaker looks like when it's in. I got the screws on the new mount because I got a new mount, and then it came with extra screws of the speaker, so I'm going to put those in just in case. So there's the final thing: the adapter, the screws, the aftermarket bracket, the speaker. Now it's time to put the door panel on again, but first I'm going to show you guys a demonstration on the speaker. So the last step is just putting in the screws. So one there, one right there, one on the bottom, and then one right there. And then just hook your windows and lock back. So there's the finished project. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a like and turn on post notifications and get yourself a new sound system. Peace.